Budgeting is the cornerstone of any good financial plan. According to the National Foundation for Credit Counseling, only 41% of Americans use a budget. In Canada, a study by the Canadian Payroll Association found that 48% of Canadians live paycheck to paycheck. Only 41% of Americans use a budget. Fact by an FCC, 48% of Canadians live paycheck to paycheck. Fact by Canadian Payroll Association, creating a budget starts with tracking your income and expenses. Use tools like Mint, YNB You Need a Budget, or the Australian app Pocketbook to simplify this process. Allocate your income to categories such as housing, food, transportation, and savings. Remember the 50-30-20 rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. This